guys, it's been a while, but welcome back to 1 Minute Eats, where I show you super quick videos about how to make your favorite foods. Today we're going to be making a chicken burrito. It's so much easier than you would think and it tastes so good. Let's get started. So first, let's get rid of extra moisture on the chicken. Now let's cut our chicken into bite-sized cubes. Now let's add in our seasoning. Let's add some oil and butter to a medium heat pan. Now we can cook our chicken until there's no pink. You can add in whatever toppings you like, but I'm going to start by sauteing some onions and some jalapenos, and adding in some spinach as well. For my beans, I'm going to make it super easy by heating some canned refried beans on the pan and making some packaged Mexican rice. Now we can prep our tortilla by oiling one side and putting it on a medium heat pan. We're going to add some cheese on there, and you're going to know when it's ready because the cheese is going to be melted. Time to add in all of our toppings. I'm going to start with the meat, and then add in my sauteed mixture, my beans, and different toppings like sour cream, salsa, and guacamole. In a burrito, you want something spicy or sour, and then something creamy. The folding can get pretty tricky, but add a little bit less filling than what I did. Then fold the sides and then fold the bottom very, very tightly and roll it up. To make your burrito extra yummy, put it back on the pan for a little while to toast it, and then wrap it in aluminum foil. That's it, your chicken burrito is ready to eat. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for the next video on 1 Minute Eats.